In this video, we will talk about hormonal imbalance symptoms in women and how to treat them. Hormonal imbalance in women refers to an irregularity in the levels of various hormones circulating in the body. These hormones, produced by the endocrine glands, play crucial roles in regulating various bodily functions, including metabolism, reproduction, mood, and growth. When there's a hormonal imbalance, it means that there may be too much or too little of certain hormones present in the bloodstream. This imbalance can lead to a wide range of symptoms and health issues, depending on which hormones are affected and to what extent. In women, hormonal imbalances can manifest in various ways. Here are 10 signs of hormonal imbalance in women. First sign of hormonal imbalance is irregular menstrual cycles. Fluctuations in hormone levels can lead to irregular periods, characterized by varying cycle lengths or skipped periods. This imbalance may result from factors like stress, polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS), or thyroid disorders. Treatment of irregular menstrual cycle. Chasteberry vitex and donkey are herbs known for regulating menstrual cycles. Hormonal birth control pills can also help regulate periods. Second sign, unexplained weight gain or loss. Hormonal imbalances can disrupt metabolism and lead to unexplained changes in weight. Increased cortisol levels due to stress or imbalances in thyroid hormones can contribute to weight fluctuations. Treatment of unexplained weight gain or loss. Green tea extract and cinnamon are believed to support weight management. Thyroid hormone replacement therapy may also be prescribed for thyroid imbalances. Third sign, fatigue and low energy. Hormonal imbalances, particularly involving thyroid hormones or cortisol, can cause persistent fatigue and low energy levels despite adequate rest. This fatigue may interfere with daily activities and affect overall quality of life. Treatment of fatigue and low energy. Ginseng and rhodiola are adaptogenic herbs that may help increase energy levels. Thyroid medications can address fatigue caused by hypothyroidism. Fourth sign, mood swings and irritability. Fluctuations in estrogen, progesterone, and serotonin levels can contribute to mood swings, irritability, and heightened emotional sensitivity. These hormonal shifts commonly occur during menstruation, menopause, or periods of stress. Treatment of mood swings and irritability. Tea, John's wort and passion flower are herbs often used to alleviate mood disturbances. In addition, hormone replacement therapy or selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors (SRIs) can stabilize mood. Fifth sign, changes in libido. Hormonal imbalances, such as low testosterone or estrogen levels, can affect sexual desire and arousal in women. This may lead to a decreased interest in sexual activity and intimacy. Treatment of libido changes. Maca root and ginkgo biloba are herbs thought to enhance libido. In addition, hormone replacement therapy or medications to address underlying conditions may improve libido. Sixth sign, hair loss or thinning. Imbalances in androgens or thyroid hormones can contribute to hair loss or thinning, known as alopecia. This condition may affect scalp hair as well as hair growth in other areas of the body. Treatment of hair loss or thinning. Saw palmetto and rosemary oil are herbs believed to promote hair growth. Medications like minoxidil or finasteride may also be prescribed for hair loss. Seventh sign, skin issues. Hormonal imbalances can manifest as skin problems like acne, dryness, or excessive oiliness. Fluctuations in androgen levels, particularly during puberty, menstruation, or menopause, can influence skin health. Treatment of skin issues. Tea tree oil and aloe vera gel are natural remedies for acne and skin irritation. Topical or oral medications like retinoids or antibiotics may be prescribed for acne. 8th sign: sleep disturbances. Hormonal fluctuations, especially during menstrual cycles or menopause, can disrupt sleep patterns and lead to insomnia or poor sleep quality. Changes in estrogen and progesterone levels may affect sleep-regulating mechanisms in the brain. Treatment of sleep disturbances. Valerian root and chamomile tea are known for promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. Hormone therapy or medications for insomnia may also be prescribed in serious cases. 9th sign of hormonal imbalance is digestive issues. Hormonal imbalances can impact digestive health, leading to symptoms like bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. Fluctuations in estrogen and progesterone levels may affect gut motility and sensitivity. Treatment of digestive issues. Peppermint tea and ginger can help alleviate digestive discomfort and bloating. Medications like antacids or antidiarrheals may also be used for symptom relief. 10th sign: headaches or migraines. Hormonal fluctuations, particularly changes in estrogen levels during menstruation, pregnancy, or menopause, can trigger headaches or migraines in some women. These hormonal headaches often occur in a cyclical pattern. Treatment of headaches or migraines. Feverfew and butterbur are herbs known for reducing the frequency and severity of migraines. In addition, pain relievers like ibuprofen or triptans may also be prescribed for migraine relief. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.